Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang Selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titinan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan ngayong September 2023. Ayan, money, career, finances. This is a general reading. Maaari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. Gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, so when it comes to your finances, yung inyong overall energy for September, the moon. Parang merong fears, merong uncertain para sa inyo. Parang may pag-aalala kung what's going to happen in your finances ngayong September. Maaring merong mga gumugulo sa isip nyo or a lot of emotions here. Okay, let's see the challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Aries? Okay. This is judgment. Maaring yung iba sa inyo meron na kayong matatapos na kontrata or project na iniisip nyo, ano na yung next? Ano na yung next after nun pag natapos na yon? Kaya siguro may nag-aalala dito. What's next after this project? Itong, para kasing short term lang. Itong, yung ibang pinagkakakitaan ninyo. So, clarify natin yan mamaya. Ano yung opportunity for you? You have the opportunity to become your own boss. Very ambitious energy ito. Okay? This is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. So, you may be dealing with an earth sign. And your blessing. 8 of Pentacles. Mastering your craft. Focusing on your talents, your skills, making things happen. Okay, so, alam nyo, Aries, you don't need to worry. Okay? Kung kayo ay nag-aalala kung ano yung parating sa inyo ngayong September pagdating sa finances nyo, kung ano yung dapat matatapos yan. Okay? Yung iba wala nang magagawa. Pero, it doesn't mean na hanggang doon na lang. Kasi marami kang opportunity na pwede mo pang i-explore. What is the moon? O, diba? The death card. Something is ending. Yung iba sa inyo, magre-resign sa trabaho, or meron kayong i-close na business, or merong matatapos na contract. And for some of you, you can't do anything about it dahil kailangan na talagang matapos yon. Okay? The challenge is kung paano ka mag-evolve, kung paano ka mag-adapt doon sa changes na yon. See? You have the 4 of Swords. How are you going to recover, okay, from that? So, it's a matter of, taking a rest, recover, and be more inspired to a new opportunity. Okay? Let's see what else. See? Nakakaloka. I was just thinking about this. Oh, a new opportunity, a new idea. Meron kang magandang idea or a communication, an offer sa'yo to work for a career, for a business. And for some of you, this is business, no? Pwedeng sarili mong negosyo na pag-aaralan mong maigi, na kung saan yung iyong talento, abilidad, no? Gifts mo, magagamit mo. You have the 5 of Wands. Yung iba, hindi nila, parang, maaring merong mga pipigil sa'yo, no? Lalo na kung you will try to, have your own business, tapos sabihin ng iba, oh, hindi mo kaya yan. Hindi mo kaya yan kasi mahirap yan. Or baka magsisi ka. Hayaan nyo sila. Kasi lalo na kung hindi nila nakikita yung vision mo. Kasi you have your own visions, 'di ba? So focused on what you think matters to you, what you think will work for you. Ipaglalaban mo to. What else? Meron kang mga meditation space or a place where pwede kang makapag nilay-nilay, magdasal, ganon. Hero. Someone will help you from a distressful situation. So, yung iba sa inyo, merong tulong pagdating sa bagong opportunity na to, tulong na maaring magbibigay sa inyo ng trabaho or magbibigay ng bagong project, merong mag-open na bagong business opportunity, meron kang hero, no? Meron tutulong sa'yo. See, you are upgrading to becoming a big boss. Ikaw na yung sarili mong boss. You are the boss of your own. You are your own boss. It's time na para ikaw naman yung ikaw naman yung mag-manage ng sarili mong career. See, you are taking chances. You are taking a leap of faith. Ayan. So, meron kang iti-take na risk pagdating sa career mo. Taking chances. You are becoming more courageous. And this is leading you to great results. Let's see ano pa for Aries. Grounding. Baka nangailangan ka ng pag-ground mo ng sarili mo, removing all the negative energies para mag-flow yung mga bagong ideas, yung lakas ng loob. Oo, i-release mo yung kanigahan na yan. You are fulfilling your life's purpose. You are being directed to your life's purpose, Aries. Okay? So, ano man yung mga takot mo dyan, i-release mo yan. Okay? And think of a new opportunity na nag-unfold para sa'yo. Something new. And if you are doing manifestation, yung mga rituals, ituloy mo lang yon. As long as you are taking action towards your goals and dreams sa career mo, sa business mo, sa finances mo, ililid ka doon sa life's purpose mo. Wow. You heal by releasing, not suppressing. What emotions do you need to feel? Ayan. So, mas nakakapag-heal ka daw kapag you are releasing those emotions. Lalo na kung may natapos na career, trabaho, business. Siyempre, emotional tayo sa mga ganyan dahil lalo na kung naging malapit na sa atin to, 'di ba? But, may mga bagay talagang natatapos. And it's just meant to happen. Okay? So, you're going to heal by releasing. Kailangan mo ilabas yan. And after that, there's a new opportunity na nag-unfold sa'yo na going to lead you to your life's purpose. This is part of your growth, Aries. May mga bagay na kailangan kayong iwanan, i-release para makapag-focus kayo sa bagong direction na tatahakin ninyo. And this is going to make you a better version of yourself. Napaka-cliche man, but that's really true. It's time to evolve, time to upgrade, no? And ngayon, mas may lakas loob na kayo na i-pursue pa at pagbutihin pa yung craft ninyo, yung abilities ninyo, yung skills ninyo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.